Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So it's been such an exciting day. I'm on the way to the gym. I've got a really bad cold, but I'm not feeling bad. I just have, you know, a bit of a runny nose. So I saw the Queen today. So the Queen came to Bracknell. It's the town that I go to shop. I shop there, and this town was, the shopping centre was regenerated last year. So she came to see and unveil a plaque. So I thought I'd go and have a look. If I get a good spot, you know, if I don't see her, I don't see her. And I stood there for 2 hours. My feet were frozen. And I knew I had to leave soon because I had to go to the gym, but I did see her eventually, and I was so close to her. I was like 2 meters away from her, so it was very hard to video or anything. There were so many people there and we stood behind barriers, but I think I've got quite good shots. I haven't checked it yet because it's all on this camera, so I will insert that clip here in a minute. Yeah, it was really lovely atmosphere. There was orchestra playing. I was just so excited. I really like the royal family, and I've never seen the Queen in real life. I only ever seen her on TV. So she's so tiny, she's really little, so she didn't do much walking about. She just got out of her car to unveil the plaque, and then she got straight back in it and she went. So, but yeah, I was really excited to see her. So yeah, in a really good mood. So that was a highlight of my day. Yeah, so now I'm going to go and sweat, and I speak to you later.
Very distinguished guests and fellow residents of Bracknell Forest, I'm proud to have been leader of Bracknell Forest Council since 1997. In the 21 years that I have held that role, one project has stood out as a priority: to deliver to the residents of Bracknell Forest a town centre of which they can be proud. A place that provides a fitting economic, social and cultural heart to our borough that matches our environment, schools, leisure and many other excellent facilities. A large part of that project was delivered last year when the development that you have seen today opened for business. Your Majesty, today has been the proudest day of that 21-year career, and I am delighted to have been able to welcome you to Bracknell to see the transformation that we have made to our town centre, to meet many of the people who made it possible, and to see many thousands of our residents. It would be an honour if you could unveil a plaque that we have commissioned that will take pride of place in this town centre, commemorating your visit to us today.
everyone. Oh, I've got proper cold. My nose, I'm coughing. And I just remembered something. Do you remember when, I think it was last year when I got sinusitis and I had it like for 6 weeks, I think. Remember I was complaining that they would not give me antibiotics, and few of you recommended the Neti pot, which is like a nasal rinsing system, and I got it last year and I used it and it really helped. So that's the one. It's a squeezable one. You can get like ceramic ones, different ones. You basically rinse your nose. This one is good because it comes with the saline solution, and you have to use distilled water or boiled water, but not hot obviously, and it is really helping because I usually have to use Sinex, like this spray that reduces inflammation, but today I haven't used it at all, so I do this twice a day and hopefully I'll be okay soon. It's just so annoying having runny nose all the time. Okay, another thing, few of you asked me about the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, because I know that this cream has been talked about by big YouTubers here, and someone said, oh, would you try it, is it worth it? Because it's very expensive. It is 50 ml, I think, yeah, so it's a standard face cream size, but it is £44. And you know, I already really like the eye cream, so I thought I buy it and I try it. So I've been using it for about a week. It is such a rich cream. It's really thick, but it goes in, just melts into your skin. I love the smell of it. To me, it smells like a bit like lemongrass and lemon sherbet, you know, the sweets. I really love the smell, and it is very, very pleasant moisturizer at first, you know, because it's called Skin Face Base. I thought that that was a primer, but it's not. It just says that the makeup goes on really nicely on the top of it, because it plumps and moisturizes your skin, and it is beautiful cream, and I love the smell and I love the texture and I love how it melts into my skin. But to be honest, I haven't noticed any major difference in the way my makeup goes on top of it. It doesn't go on any better than on my Clinique Moisture Surge. Sorry, my head is a bit muddy. Moisturizer. So as much as it is a beautiful cream, it's got shea butter in it, vitamin C and E, but I'm sure a lot of moisturizers have that inside them, so I don't know if this is worth the money. It is lovely, don't get me wrong, I really love using it, I love the smell, but it's not like magic, you know. I haven't noticed anything like, wow, you know, I wouldn't use anything else. So, but I like it. I've just popped out quickly and got myself a beauty blender, and they were doing this double, they didn't do single ones, they share your heart one, so you just get 2 beauty blenders. I suppose you can give one to someone and keep one, but I'm not giving mine to anyone. And I also bought another MAC 217 brush, because you know how much I love them. I have a couple, but yeah, I thought they are usually quite difficult to get. Whenever you go to MAC store, they are usually short of that one. Okay, my lovelies, I just thought I'd pop in and share with you a few things, but I'm really, really feeling ill, so I don't know if I will vlog anymore this week. If not, this Monday video is gonna be short and sweet. I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Good morning, my lovelies. So this is what my hair looks like after I've slept on it. So yesterday when you saw me, my hair was just blow dried, and this is what it looks like when I've slept on it. Anyway, what do you think of my makeup? I've bought this, you know, I told you I was into colourful eyeshadows. I've bought these like blue turquoise eyeshadows, single eyeshadows from this Italian company. If you want me to show you, I do that another time. As you can hear, I am still got my cold, not feeling great, and Post just brought down more stuff, winter stuff, like my boots, some more clothes, and I've got also a pile of ironing to do, so I have to do that today. So have a look, there is some more clothes, there are some boxes with shoes and boots, there is my ironing. I've got all these shirts to iron because Paul's been away for 2 weeks on a business trip and he's come back with all this ironing to do. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. Don't feel like it, but I have to. So I'm gonna finish this vlog here. I think, oh yeah, this Wednesday I probably will post. I found this video that I filmed ages ago, I would say a month ago. I think it's a 5-minute makeup, and I did it with Makeup Geek eyeshadows, and I completely forgot about it. It's been sitting on my laptop and I forgot to upload it. So yeah, so that's been done about a month ago, but I probably will upload that on Wednesday. And I will see you whenever I see you again. Bye.